We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Engel UC3030 QT leak-proof, airtight, Drybox cooler, and hardshell lunchbox. This product is designed for those who need a tough, reliable cooler that can also function as a lunchbox or dry storage container. Its 30-quart capacity makes it versatile for various outdoor activities including camping, fishing, hiking, hunting, and travel. The Engel UC30 is constructed from durable polypropylene material, which contributes to its lightweight yet rugged design. It features polyurethane foam insulation that helps maintain temperature effectively, keeping contents cold or dry as needed. The cooler is leak-proof and includes an adjustable shoulder strap and a dry hanging storage tray, enhancing its usability and convenience. Users consistently praise the cooler for its robust build quality and versatility. Many have found it suitable for heavy-duty use, such as on construction sites or during outdoor work, where durability and temperature retention are critical. The latches are reported to be strong and sturdy, ensuring the cooler remains securely closed even in demanding conditions. One of the standout features noted by users is the cooler's ability to keep items dry, making it ideal not only for food and drinks but also for sensitive electronics and emergency supplies. Some customers have used it as an insulated dry box to store electronics and generators, appreciating the protection it offers against moisture and environmental exposure. The cooler's design also allows it to double as a seat, which adds to its practicality during outdoor activities. Several users have shared long-term experiences, highlighting how the Engel cooler has endured years of sun exposure, rough handling, and frequent use without significant degradation. Replacement of hinges after extended use has been mentioned, but is seen as a minor issue given the overall longevity. A few users initially encountered issues with the dry hanging storage tray not fitting properly, but the seller promptly resolved these concerns by sending replacement trays, reflecting good customer service. This responsiveness has contributed positively to the overall satisfaction with the product. The Engel UC30 comes in a distinctive bright color, such as construction orange or fighting lady yellow, which users find attractive and easy to identify, reducing the risk of mix-ups during group activities. The cooler's dimensions of 19.2 by 15.5 by 13.2 inches and a weight of approximately 4.29 kilograms make it portable enough for everyday use while still offering substantial storage space. Performance-wise, the insulation has been effective in maintaining cold temperatures for extended periods, which is crucial for outdoor meals or preserving perishables during travel. The leak-proof feature ensures no spills or moisture escape, adding to the cooler's reliability. Overall, the Engel UC30 is highly regarded for its combination of durability, insulation performance, and multifunctional design. It appeals to a broad audience, from outdoor enthusiasts and workers to those needing a dependable lunchbox or emergency supply container. The product's positive reviews, backed by thousands of ratings and a strong bestseller ranking in camping coolers, affirm its quality and value. If you own the Engel UC30 or are considering purchasing it, we encourage you to leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. This cooler is a worthy investment for anyone needing a tough, reliable container that excels in both cooling and dry storage capabilities.